Start the day with the most important thing. We got Mr. Ukas strapped up and ready for his walk. He's got his party lights on. But he does not want to go outside because it is very cold out. Isn't that right? I did not want to go outside. It's very cold. Morning. Hopefully finishing up the through deck penetration for that piping today. It's a balmy 25 degrees here in Kodiak this morning. Warmed up the old dirty Dodge for what felt like an eternity. So heading down to the boat. Gonna grab a coffee first. Be right back with you. And we got another beautiful morning here. Can't really see a whole lot, but should be a decent enough day to be welding outside. It's cold. It's about 25 degrees. Coveralls weather. All right, we got that welded in. And now the next goal is going to be to run our pipe all the way over there. So we're going to get our vertical in place here. Vertical pipe bolted in. And now we're going to measure for that guy there. We got our dimensions. Now we're going to weld. Alignment on our flange. Now we're going to throw our tacks. 60-10 and 70-18, they should be up here. pretty good route. Alright, let's spin it towards me. Hang on just a second. Hit this with the grinder. And let's spin like this. Oh, leave it. I got it. Ready? Yep. Do one of our fill passes. 7018, 1/8 inch. Ready? You see that? That's a nice bead.
Are you going through it one more time?
Yep, maybe. We might do 2 passes. Happy with how that came out. Good old 7018. Hard to beat. Measuring for our next section of pipe here. Actually, I tell you what, how about you just hold that? Right on me. And our handy dandy wrap around. All right, press the red button. All right, so now got that welded on, and we're gonna torque all these guys down. That way we got accurate dimensions. And then we're gonna establish with our flange in here how long that piece needs to be. We already got it down here, but we cut it a little long. We got that flange bolted up. 1/16 inch gasket in between. Now Everything else is torqued down. These are torqued. Instead of guessing about this dimension, I decided it'd be better just to hang that pipe up. Alright, now we can establish our elevation, go get our baby chain fall. I like using these because it's a heck of a lot more controlled. So we've got our twine strap on there. And we're gonna throw a loop, just a bowline. Of course, didn't leave myself much slack. There we go. Definitely sensitive. Happy if I don't bust my teeth out. Alright, bowline. Put that up there. We'll establish level. Nothing's level on a boat. Come down, click. Let's see how we do. We established level. I know it's kind of a jerry-rig situation, but we're within a degree. And the boat has a list on it, meaning it's cockeyed to one side right now. So I'm gonna go with a degree being pretty good. It's gonna work for me. Now, I'm not sure. I think I've got enough room. I'm just gonna hard weld that other side. Because every time you put a flange in, it's just more stuff to try and get aligned. So I think this is gonna be this, and these two are gonna be the only flanges for this run.